I think I finally got it to where I want it to be now. Almost. A couple of things I will change soon-ish. I'm waiting for a new bulb on the front because I've got rear light, I've got a tail light. I'm trying to find the screws for these. I need some very long, thin ones. I've had a new one of these for years. I just haven't put it on yet, so I'm gonna change this over. I wanted to get some test rides done just in case. I did repair this actually, but what happened was when we moved house, when I moved house a few years ago, this bike was just put on its side, so it re-cracked. We just kind of like laid the bikes down in a trailer, basically, some of the bikes. So this bike was just on its side. Had no oil or petrol, so couldn't leak anywhere. It was light enough, so it was fine. Now most of my bikes travel probably on the side actually. That C90 went in the back of that Range Rover. It does fit, you just have to take the leg shield off pretty much. Drain out the petrol, in it goes. Slight hole in the exhaust still. The heat is still transferring along, so I'm not too worried. So it's a bit noisy, but it's fine for an old bike. I've put the stickers on. I got that one, as I have that sticker on pretty much on all my bikes. So the Honda decal I put on there. These are a couple of quid off eBay, and then this is a couple of quid, but you know, whatever. So I'm about happy with it now. Ignition, my switch for the lights, but yeah, I just need to change the front bulb and change this front fender. When I'd rather wait a bit longer. Well, I might do it one day, but now as we've got nice weather at the moment this week, I thought best to take it for a test ride and stuff. Still not sure what to do these pipes. Take them off, extend them, but they don't seem to be burning, so that's all right. I've ridden the bike for about an hour today, so it's obviously up to temperature, so nothing seems to be too bad. I don't know what its top speed is yet. I'm gonna guess it's around 40. I guess I could go a bit quicker if I adjust this. Oh, my air filter is actually coming off. I might have to. I do actually think I should replace this pod filter. I think it might come off. I don't know. It's on at the moment. It's on at the moment. I might change it. I don't know if it's slowly vibrating off or something, but I do need a new one of these, so I'll probably replace that. But you know, these project bikes, they often keep going like that. And the horn. You know what? I don't think I've actually got a video of me honking this horn. Instead of honk the horn, it's very... That is loud. That is very loud, that is. It's much louder than this original 6-volt. Now, will it start up? That's a good question. The horn's loud enough anyway. This mirror's come a bit loose, but I need to add some washers in there, I think. All teething issues. Just make sure that this is working behind me anyway. Yeah, it's about right. How's it like to ride? It's alright, as long as you don't hit too many potholes. So it's fine. Fuel on. Ignition. And yeah, how is it to ride? Not dreadful. Now I'll show you the lights working actually, if I can get it started. Once it's warmed up, still not idling 100%. Okay, just about idling there, isn't it? You can see there is a flicker in the light. If I rev it, it was a bit more all cut out. There you can see the light comes on now. The light comes on now as you go. everything to the front, and away we go. And I keep forgetting that I need to step over this bike. So there's some scratch marks here where I tried to step through the petrol tank, where I've gone like that. So yeah, I keep on trying to get off the bike like a sidestep motion. But it was like a C90 essentially, but it's a sports. Anyway, that's it, I guess. Look forward to this bike in some more videos. I mean, I plan to use it on a camping trip this year. I'll get one camping trip out of this, whether or not it's me just strapping everything to the back of my bike. But I do actually have a rack for this bike, so a rack might be going on as well. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I need to get some chrome cleaner on this, maybe just tidy up the last few bits here and there. But I think I'm at the point now where it's not going to really break down on me. It's just going to be little bits I need to change here and there. Well, now that I've said that, of course, the first time I've come out with all the tools in my bag, I haven't needed to use them. It's pretty good. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.